Yeah. As you can see, I'm doing a voiceover because they're already playing music and I can't get that copyright strike. So yeah, you see the engine's all painted, man. It looks pretty nice. And the main bearings look, they're all scratched up, so I need to get those too. So last week I came and picked these up. So I'm gonna need a new intercooler because it's all dirty, man. All my coolant was contaminated, man, full of mud. And also look at my old camshaft. This is the problem right here. This will cause all this mess. It caused to bend these push rods right here. So yeah, I got new push rods, a new set of rockers, rollers. I could have rebuilt the engine, but man, no money right now. Yeah. I mean, the pistons are good, the cylinders and the sleeves, you know, they look pretty good. As you can see, like no scratches, no chips. So right now I'm gonna go return these, man. I'm gonna return it this whole week because you know it's Christmas week and the shop was closed. Or not this shop. They were working here, but where I buy the parts, I can return the quarters. So that's where I'm headed right now. I'm gonna go get the money back. Money I'm gonna get back, I'm gonna spend anyway. I need the fucking bearings and the new intercooler. So I'm gonna way over there. So let's see. I'll probably be done by next week. Today's Thursday, December 26th, day after Christmas. And hopefully tomorrow also I need to get my DOT, what's it called? The medical card, my physical. I need to get that renewed because it's about to expire on the 5th, January 5th, man. If I don't pass my medical, man, what the fuck, we can't work. Last time I went was 2 years ago. And I barely passed it. They told me I almost had a high blood pressure. I haven't been to the doctor, you know, I just can't afford that shit. I'm scared of doctors too. So I'm gonna go check it out maybe tomorrow or Monday before the 5th so I can, you know, tell DMV, look, I got my new medical. So pray for me, guys. Hopefully I pass it. So I'm about to play the lottery. I never played that shit. I mean, I use scratching, but you know that lottery with no numbers? I'm gonna try it out. I had a dream last week that I won $500,000 on the scratcher, and I bought a scratcher and I won $50. So I'm gonna go exchanges and see what we win. I'm gonna also buy lottery numbers. Cause the other day on Christmas Eve, the 24th, I forgot how much it was, but nobody won. So they're doing a redraw tomorrow. And then now it's like 1.15 billion, man. Oh my god, so I want to win a little bit, not like the whole thing, because, you know, if I win all of it, you don't have nothing to do, man. Like, if I get rich quick, it's going to be boring, right? Or I can invest it, you know, but I kind of want to work hard for my money, man. Just struggle like I'm struggling right now, man. Anyways, enough talk, bro. Let's go get these perks. Alright, guys, so, yeah, I'm on my way to wherever. I don't know where I'm going, but yeah, I went to the Mac, returned the camshaft and the rockers. I'm gonna get store credit because I still need to get new parts. I need to get main bearings and what's the other thing? Oh yeah, and intercooler, whatever the fuck you call it. Yeah. Hopefully they'll be done soon, probably before next Friday for real this time. I've been there for like a whole month. Yesterday, December 25, man, a whole month. I took it in not Thanksgiving Day, but like the 25th on November, Thanksgiving week. A whole month without the truck, and a whole month and a week, man. It's gonna be a whole week. Because I've been having trouble because their shop, man, they need to get it inspected by the firefighters, whatever, fire safety inspection, whatever the fuck. They told them they're gonna. When I took the truck there, they said, oh, "Okay, we'll try to work on it. We'll get it done in a week. Next week we'll start because firefighters are coming in doing inspection. Those more didn't come. It's like, okay, they're coming next week, and again those more didn't come. So they finally came next week. they gave him the right permits and whatever. So it finally started last week. It was taking about like a week and a half just to do that job, and I took it in the wrong time. I mean, I had to take it in because I couldn't even fucking drive it. Like, I might fuck up something else. And yeah, just wasted time and money. It kind of worked. Past like 2 months, I didn't work that much, but like probably not more than like 10 days, 15 days in total. Just been having minor problems. And those minor problems lasted up to like 2-3 days, man, just to face, because I kind of find the right things. And I did all the labor myself. My ass is lazy, so didn't wake up till like fucking 2 p.m. It's my own fault, man. Shit. And also, I lost a day. I worked a day, but I didn't make money that day because my PTO, my switch wasn't working. Like, damn, it did not want, my bed did not want to go up. I had a whole load of hot asphalt on me. So the company is charging the wasted asphalt $95 a ton. So yeah, I made no money. Whatever the hours I worked that day, they're keeping. Plus, I still have to pay the remaining the asphalt, and it was like $1,700. So I paid like what, like $1,000, man. So yeah, you sometimes make something, sometimes you lose money. So that's how the business and dump trucking goes. Alright guys, so as you saw, I returned, I went to the Mac, I returned the core for the camshaft, and I'm getting a new one of those in intercooler. They don't have core for that, so I might just throw that away or scrap it or something. But yeah, anyways, I'm over here in Commerce. I was gonna go to the truck stop here in the TA right over there. I was gonna do the truck spotting, so when I made a wrong turn, I ended up here. So there's like abandoned, I don't know what this is. There's also like another like mall over there, I don't know. And I've been thinking, man, I kind of want to travel, you know, like, you know, make YouTube videos, explore places. I don't know if it's legal to like enter here or some shit, but hey, fuck it, let's explore. So I don't know what this used to be. It used to be like, it's called the pottery plant. But anyways, this is gonna be another video, man. I'm not letting you watch it for free. So yeah, man, watch this video. Let's see what happens. Anyways, what y'all think? Should I go travel? I've always wanted to like go to New York, man. Like, shit. Only states I've ever been to were like here where I live. I was born in Atlanta. What else? I went to Tennessee, Alabama, the Carolinas, and Florida, and Texas. I didn't get to like, you know, look around, but I just went to Texas for like a family party. Went back straight back. I went in a plane because I was back then when I was driving a semi. I had to go by a plane. That was my first time riding a plane. And I want to go again. That shit felt cool. Talking about planes, I kind of want to get my pilot license one day, drive a plane or something. Yeah. Look, man, people don't give a f. Just seeing empty places, litter everywhere. Either trash, they go dump. They think it's like a free dump or something. Oh, look, it's open. Let's go explore. So, anyways, yeah, maybe, I don't know, let's go traveling or something. Explore places. There's people over here, so yeah. Anyways, stay tuned. And hopefully the truck is ready by next week. We'll have it all ready. Right now, I just ordered the parts and the main bearings. Main bearings. What else? The intercooler, yeah. That's expensive, man. Almost $2K for those things. A lot of money I spent. Like I said, man. Like, oh yeah, I didn't say it yet, but I spent 16-17 grand already on fucking parts and labor. the most expensive, man. Like shit, this year hasn't been that good. Not that much work and all the breakdowns. Look, it says keep up. There's people over there, so I was gonna go there, but I saw people, man. I don't like people. Can be bad people. I don't know. There's some bad heads. There's one that's breaking. People have been here before. I kind of want to do it because I've been watching this guy for like a year already. You also search him up, man. He's pretty cool. His channel is Small Brained American. He's here from Atlanta too, and so he went all over the world, man. He's been to Japan, China, Peru, Colombia. Got some baddies over there. Look at Mexico, where I'm from. I'm not born there, but I was born here. But I'm saying I'm illegal, but yeah. But first, if I want to travel the whole U.S. That's why I wanted to be a trucker. I want to go OTR, man, but the people are leaving. I'm going to go explore once I leave. Yeah. Look at this truck parks over here, too. There's an Outback Steakhouse, like, in the middle of nowhere, man. Like, this whole place is abandoned and accepted. There's an Outback Steakhouse in the middle of nowhere. So, yeah, man, I want to travel, but no money, man. No money. Like I said, expenses, man. This trucking game, man, you either win or lose. And I'm gonna lose it. The people are leaving, so let's go explore. Anyways, I want to see this video of me exploring, man. Let's see what's over here. And I have a new drone, so I'm gonna fly it up here and see what it looks like from above. So I'm working on getting my license with the drone too. You can make good money with drones. Like, damn, I just bought it, but I found out I've been getting a shitload of ass because I've been looking at drones. Like, hey, get your license, you can make money. Like, so I'm working on getting my license, but I'm not that smart. Like, damn, the first lesson now, I failed the quiz already. But hopefully we can pass that the first try, man. It's a commercial license, just like a CDL, but for drones. A CDL for my truck, but I passed the first try. I'll see if I can pass it on my first try for the drone. Anyways, enough yapping. So yeah, hopefully the truck is done soon. Get back to work, start making that money. For now, I'm gonna keep making videos right now. So if y'all can support me, hit that like, subscribe. I'm making a few cents a video. I also want to travel because I can make good content, you know, explore the whole US. But yeah, watch for this video. I'm gonna see what's over here. So yeah, stay tuned. Hit that like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Come on.